Our journey continues here in Jerusalem with a search for the Ark of the Covenant. Ark of the Covenant. Ark of the Covenant. The Ark of the Covenant. Scientists finally opened the Ark of Covenant that was sealed for thousands of years. The search for the Ark of the Covenant has fascinated scientists, theologians, and adventurers for centuries. This legendary artifact, said to hold the 2 tablets of the law given to Moses, has been a subject of mystery and intrigue. Recently, a group of scientists made a groundbreaking claim that they have finally uncovered its secrets. Let's dive into this incredible journey and explore what they found. The Ark of the Covenant is not just any ordinary chest. Known as Aron HaBrit in Hebrew, it is a sacred vessel covered in gold. During biblical times, it was used to store the 2 tablets of the law, also known as the 10 Commandments, given to Moses by God. The Ark was placed in the Holy of Holies within the tabernacle of the ancient Temple of Jerusalem. Only the high priest could access this sacred space, and only on the Day of Atonement, known as Yom Kippur. The Ark's journey through history is nothing short of extraordinary. After the Hebrews' successful conquest of the Promised Land, Canaan, the Ark found its home in Shiloh. When King David reigned, it was moved to Jerusalem. Later, King Solomon built the Temple of Jerusalem, where the Ark was carefully relocated to the most sacred chamber, the Holy of Holies. This sacred chest has been revered for its divine connection and has played a significant role in various historical events. It was believed to possess immense power and was carried into battles, often leading to victories for the Israelites. The Ark's presence symbolized God's guidance and protection. However, the Ark's exact fate has been shrouded in mystery. Various invasions, including those by the Babylonians and the Romans, led to the Ark's disappearance from historical records. The quest to find it has captivated people for millennia, leading to numerous theories and expeditions. For millennia, people have searched for the Ark. Legends placed it in faraway places like Ethiopia and Ireland. Theologians, archaeologists, and adventurers have scoured the globe in search of this rare artifact. Each theory and discovery added a new layer to the mystery, but the Ark remained elusive. One popular theory suggested the Ark might have been hidden during the Roman siege and the Jewish revolt, with a possible clue found in the Copper Scroll. This scroll, discovered among the Dead Sea Scrolls, lists 64 locations where gold and silver were hidden, using cryptic language to describe these places. The references to the Ark in these ancient texts have fueled the imagination of many researchers. In Ethiopia, the Ark is believed to reside in the Church of Our Lady Mary of Zion in Aksum. According to Ethiopian tradition, Menelik, the son of King Solomon and the Queen of Sheba, brought the Ark to Ethiopia. This narrative is detailed in their sacred text, the Kebra Nagast. Despite numerous attempts, no one outside the church has been allowed to see the Ark. The Ethiopian Orthodox Church has steadfastly guarded this claim, and the Ark's supposed presence in Aksum remains one of the most enduring theories. Another theory comes from the Lemba people of South Africa and Zimbabwe. They claim their ancestors transported the Ark southward, referring to it as the Ngoma Lungundu, or Voice of God. According to their oral history, the Ark was hidden in a cave in the Dum Mountains. The Lemba people have preserved this tradition for generations, and their story adds another fascinating layer to the Ark's mystery. Over the years, there have been several significant claims about the Ark's whereabouts. In 1982, archaeologist Ronald Wyatt claimed to have found it. More recently, in 2019, researchers from Tel Aviv University discovered a 3,100-year-old temple near Beit Shemesh. They believe the Ark was once placed on a stone table within this temple. This finding has been seen as a significant alignment between biblical accounts and archaeological evidence. The stone they found is remarkably similar to the large stone mentioned in the first book of Samuel. It was used to support the Ark when it was brought back to Beit Shemesh after being in Philistine hands. This discovery has sparked debates among scholars and archaeologists, with some viewing it as a significant breakthrough and others expressing skepticism. The researchers suggest that the stone table aligns with biblical descriptions of the Ark's support structure. This alignment between archaeological findings and ancient texts has reignited interest in the Ark's location. The temple structure, with its sturdy walls and orientation toward the rising sun, suggests it was a significant place of worship. The presence of animal bone fragments, pottery, and cups indicates that rituals were conducted there, further supporting the theory that it was a sacred site. The discovery near Beit Shemesh has also faced scrutiny. Some scholars question the alignment between the stone table and the biblical descriptions. They argue that the biblical accounts were written centuries after the events they describe, making it challenging to confirm the accuracy of these narratives. The debate over the Ark's location and authenticity continues to be a topic of intense interest and discussion in the archaeological and theological communities. The scholarly community is divided on the authenticity of these discoveries. The Ethiopian Orthodox Church claims that the Ark resides in the Church of Our Lady Mary of Zion in Aksum. According to their sacred texts, the Ark was brought to Ethiopia by Menelik, the supposed son of Solomon and the Queen of Sheba. Menelik took the genuine Ark and left a replica in its place. Despite numerous attempts, no one outside the church has been allowed to see the Ark. In South Africa and Zimbabwe, the Lemba people claim their ancestors transported the Ark southward. They refer to it as the Ngoma Lungundu, or Voice of God. Their oral history suggests the Ark was hidden in a cave in the Dum Mountains and later recreated using a core from the original Ark. These diverse theories have led to heated debates among scholars. Some researchers support the Ethiopian claim, citing historical records and traditions that point to the Ark's presence in Aksum. Others argue that the Ark might have been hidden in different locations over the centuries, making its exact location difficult to pinpoint. Another significant theory involves the Knights Templar. This medieval Christian military order was rumored to have found the Ark during the Crusades and taken it to Europe. Some believe the Templars hid the Ark in places like France or Scotland. Despite extensive research and numerous claims, no concrete evidence has been found to support these theories. The quest for the Ark has also led to non-invasive surveys and excavations in Ireland. Between 1899 and 1902, the British Israel Association conducted excavations on the Hill of Tara, searching for the Ark. Their efforts were halted by Irish nationalists and the Royal Society of Antiquaries of Ireland. Subsequent surveys failed to reveal any evidence of the Ark's presence. The Ark of the Covenant holds immense significance in Jewish, Christian, and other religious traditions. It symbolizes divine connection and is seen as a sacred object. Jewish and Christian accounts describe how the Ark was transported by the ancient Israelites during their wilderness travels and occasionally accompanied them in times of conflict. The Ark's role in religious lore has also been depicted in popular culture, such as the 1981 film Raiders of the Lost Arkansas. The enduring mystery of the Ark has inspired countless stories, theories, and quests. Despite various claims and discoveries, the true resting place of the Ark remains one of history's greatest enigmas. The Ark's significance extends beyond its physical existence. It represents the intersection of faith, history, and mythology. For the Jewish people, the Ark is a symbol of God's covenant with Israel. It represents the divine laws given to Moses and serves as a reminder of the Israelites' journey through the wilderness. The journey to uncover the Ark of the Covenant has been filled with adventure, mystery, and debate. Whether hidden in Ethiopia, transported by the Lemba people, or resting in a long-forgotten temple, the Ark continues to captivate the world. Its story is a testament to human curiosity and the enduring allure of ancient mysteries. Despite numerous theories and discoveries, the true resting place of the Ark remains unknown. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more engaging content.